In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect paper trading in TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is go to tradingview.com, which is TradingView's official website. And then over here at the top right, you want to sign in with your account. Now, once you've signed in with your account, the second thing you should do is click on over here where it says products, hover over that, and then click on super charts. Now, once you're inside their super charts over here, where you can basically track different charts for pretty much anything they have available on here, you can then start and connect paper trading over here. So the way you do this is actually down at the very bottom, in case that's what you're seeing, and you have, for example, this or this, whatever, you want to go to this tab which says trading panel, and then you want to kind of extend this. You can just hover up like this. And then at the first point over here, it's going to say paper trading. So this is going to be the first box. Click on paper trading and then click on connect. And after you do that, as you can see, you've now connected your account to paper trading, and then you can just start off. So as you can see, it always says over here, you can easily switch between brokers or log out from this menu. And then over here, you can place orders through order panel and DOM using the trade button. So this is pretty much how you use this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.